Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to roll out Yaapiyal for your organization. Most of the tutorials in this series actually consist of educating our customers about Google Cloud services that Yaapiyal uses. Okay, to get started. So that's the main goal of this video. So let's go ahead and check out the agenda. So the agenda is Google Cloud trial sign up. So we're going to help our customers sign to Google or sign up with Google Cloud and get a trial credit. And then we're going to show how to create organizations and projects within Google Cloud, and then how to install Google Cloud Software Development Kit SDK on developers machine. We don't need to install it on all the users in the organization. It's just developers who need it. And then we are going to set up a Google Cloud SQL, the MySQL version on the Google Cloud, and then we are going to install PHP on Google App Engine Standard on the same project where we create Google Cloud SQL, and then finally we are going to create Yaapiyal database and then host Yaapiyal on Google Cloud App Engine Standard. So these are the 7 steps. If you look at it, most of them, at least the first 5 steps are related to Google Cloud services, and for Yaapiyal installation is really simple. You just upload the database script to a bucket and then import it to the Cloud SQL server and then upload your code to the app engine. So that's it. So I will give a brief walkthrough and then we will have a demo video for each of these topics separately. Very short demo videos under 5 minutes. So let's get started with the step 1. It is Google Cloud trial sign up. So as I mentioned, Google gives $300 free trial credit for you to try out Google Cloud for 12 months. So we are going to use this feature and we are going to set up budgets, alerts, everything, so that way you don't go over this amount, and again you get an alert whenever your target budget for that month reaches and other things. So that's one. The second step is we are going to create organizations and then invite users in your companies to join the Google Cloud, and then we are going to create few projects to host your applications and services. And Google Cloud offers some set of predefined roles, so we will give a brief overview of that and let you know what are the roles that we generally use or assign to the users in your company. And then you can add the users to the projects, and then you create a Google Cloud storage buckets to store the files and other things used by your various applications. Okay, so that's the second step. The third is for developers. We advise the developers in your organization to download the Google Cloud SDK and authenticate themselves using their Google account, and then set the default project on Google Cloud in their SDK to work on. And again, Google Cloud SDK is available for Linux, Mac and Windows, so it will work universally. And Cloud SQL deployment and configuration, yes, so we are going to create a MySQL server on Google Cloud using Cloud SQL rather than hosting it on a VM, because Cloud SQL has better options for scaling, and then it has a automatic backup scheduling processes that you can create, and you can create new users. We'll show you how to create new databases, and then how to connect to Cloud SQL from your local machines. It's not straightforward. It has to go through the Google Cloud SDK authentication to connect to Google Cloud SQL. So we can definitely use that. And then we are believing that the Cloud SQL instance that you created in the previous step will be used by various applications in your enterprise when you move on to cloud. So it's better to install PHP which is a very standard and easy way to manage the MySQL instances, databases, all those things. So even deployment and other things. So we are going to show you how to install that and connect to your Cloud SQL instance. And then creating Yaapiyal database on Cloud SQL. So all we are going to do is upload the SQL script to the Google Cloud storage bucket, And then from the Cloud SQL, we are going to say, hey, take this SQL file, create this DB, and create a DB user account and add permissions to the database. So that's what we are going to do. And then to host Yaapiyal on Google Cloud App Engine, we are going to create a new project. And then we're going to create new cloud storage bucket so that this application can upload various documents, images, all those things to the bucket. And we are going to upload the Yaapiyal code to the App Engine standard. And then we are going to add the App Engine service account. I will explain that when we get to that, to the Cloud SQL project, and create a super user for Yaapiyal and access the Yaapiyal. Okay, so that's all it takes to get up and running on Google Cloud with Yaapiyal. So thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.